If you're a busy parent juggling work, school, sports, and now you're selling your home, you're probably wondering, how are we supposed to manage this without losing our minds? I hear that all the time, and I have built a system specifically for families like yours. Let me show you how we make it possible and even pleasant to move without turning your life upside down. We don't wing it. I build a custom plan around your schedule and priorities. That means no last minute showings that mess with nap time, no figure it out as we go panic, no guessing what's next. You get a simple step-by-step timeline for prep, staging, photography, and showings, built to keep things organized, efficient, and family-friendly. You've got enough on your plate already. You shouldn't have to be chasing painters, stressing over repairs, or cleaning your home 14 times a week. That's where I come in. I handle the coordination of repairs, cleaners, stagers, even donation pickups. You don't need to micromanage anything. I manage the timeline and keep communication clear and quick. One of my favorite families of Parkers had 3 kids, 2 full-time jobs, and were moving school districts. They were nervous. We created a plan that gave them 2 weeks to prep with my team. Stage photos while the kids were at school, showings only during pre-approved time blocks. They were under contract in 9 days. No stress, no scrambling, and most importantly, no family meltdowns. This isn't just about getting your home sold. It's about doing it on your terms without chaos. You'll never feel pressured into offers. You'll never be left in the dark. I lay out every option clearly, walk you through the pros and cons, and make sure every decision matches your goals. Most families I work with say the same thing. We want to move, but we don't want to turn our lives upside down to do it. Your timeline, your prep level, your move-out strategy. This isn't about slapping a sign in the yard. It's about creating a smooth transition to your next chapter. If you're even considering selling this year, text me the word family at 816-462-2523. I'll send you my Busy Family Selling Blueprint, a simple checklist and game plan to help you feel prepared before you list. No forms, no pressure, just real help. Selling a home with kids doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right plan, it can be smooth, even empowering. So if you want a partner who understands what your life actually looks like right now, let's talk. Click the link below or text me anytime. We'll map out a plan that fits your family, your timeline, and your goals.